Our first clip comes from Skelmersdale, which is quite near where I live, and it's famous for its roundabouts.
Whoa!
And as you can see, a lot of them are connected to fast moving roads, so you've got to be careful. I know all too well that car parks can be dangerous places where scrapes can easily happen. I'm not sure I would start to go past at this point. The van driver couldn't see, and he's trying to make the whole situation worse by blacking out his windows. Whenever motorways split up and go in different directions, expect this to happen, and be ready to accommodate. Here's another example from the same camera. I love this clip. Watch the van coming round the corner. That's brilliant. Let's have another look. Have a look at the van's back wheel. It's off the ground. And by the dents in it, he's done this a few times. Keep an eye on the motorbike from the opposite side. I think this viewer sent his clip to the wrong channel. It's a poor emerge by the Volkswagen, but in my opinion, the camera's no better. Oh my god, I'm stuck behind a learner. How slow are they going? I wish they'd get on with it a little bit more. 25 miles an hour, it's the 30 limit. For Christ's sake, come on. If you were going any slower, we'd be going backwards. Oh, you are kidding me. Why are they even on the road? Shouldn't they be learning in a car park? At last they've found the gas pedal. Go ahead, lad. Being serious now, everyone. This is a terrible overtake. Here's a clip from Australia, and Canberra, I think, and we've got a newly qualified driver in front that's trying to get in the left lane. Yep, space closers are everywhere. Did he just give him the finger there as well? My viewer sent in this clip, and he sent in this question. Whose fault was this? Mine for being close behind but in the cycle lane, or theirs for moving into my path then braking without checking their mirror? Let's have a look. Let me know what you think in the comments. Watch how the red car that passes takes this corner up ahead.
You will arrive at your destination at 8:48.
This isn't a one-way street, by the way. Imagine if someone had turned in. There's no one else involved in this clip apart from my viewer. Did something on the car break, or was he distracted in some way? The pedestrian crossing up ahead has just changed onto red. How many of these oncoming cars went through On the red light, do you think? Watch this for some impatient driving from behind.
Almost 2 years' time. And that is all from Whipsonade now. Still going to be there.
I did say earlier on in the episode that when motorways split, people tend to do mad things. Well, when roads join, they tend to do mad things also. This is absolute chaos, and it's topped off by, you guessed it, a taxi driver. This black SUV's not happy. They're going to go and have a word. What, mate? I didn't do anything wrong. This is one of these surely he's seen me moments.
Right.
Maybe not.
Yeah.
Next week's lesson, steering practice. I would have kept back of that one as well, mate. I have nothing to add with this clip.
Oh yeah, nice little wave.
I absolutely love German brand cars. They give me so much content.
Look at this idiot.
This is something that grinds my gears, excuse the pun. So utterly dangerous. This is another of my pet hates. Thanks for saving the clip and sending it in. However, the next set that this lorry jumps is even worse. This clip absolutely blew me away. This car wasn't German. Joking apart, that overtake was lethal. I did not expect that to happen. Let's finish this off with one that's close to my own heart. Must overtake a learner syndrome. Wow, that could have ended up oh so differently. I'd like to say a huge big thanks to all my viewers, wishing you a happy Christmas and hopefully a safe new year. See you soon.